Hi everyone, it's Soil Merchant from Tectar Solutions. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce an amazing feature that Microsoft Word has. This feature enables us to automate, record, and update our citations in Microsoft Word. So let's jump into Microsoft Word to learn that amazing feature. See you there. So now I am in Microsoft Word and I have two dummy paragraphs on my screen. I would like to insert citation on both of these paragraphs. So before moving to citation, make sure your cursor is marked at the place where you want your citation. So here I want my citation. Now I am moving my mouse to reference tab and here I can find insert citation option. Click on it and add new source. Now I can have multiple sources, book section, article, report, website, etc. Right now I am interested in journal article, and please make sure that all of this information that I am using is for the purpose of this tutorial and all of this information is dummy, right? So author name is, let's suppose it's my name. Title of my article is Impact of Media. Journal name is XYZ. Year of publishing is 2020 and page number is 6. Press OK and here I can see my citation. Similarly, I would like to insert a citation on this paragraph. Go to Insert Citation, add new source, and this time I want a book. So the author of book is, let's suppose, Merchant Sohail. Title of book is Review 2020. Year of publishing is 2020. City is not needed to insert. Publisher is XYZ Inc. Incorporation. Press OK. Now you can see both of my paragraph has been cited. Now I would like to create a bibliography. How I can create a bibliography? For that purpose, again I have to refer to reference tab and here I can find bibliography option. Click on it and I can create or find multiple options. Since I am interested to create a bibliography, click on it and you can see this bibliography is automatically created by Microsoft Word. Now I can change the style from APA to Chicago, Goose, Harvard and other styles you can see in this drop down. Now let's suppose I have a new paragraph. I can use existing citation like this, for example this one, or I can create a new citation by going to add new source. Again this time it's a journal article. Author name is S. Merchant. Title of my article is, let's suppose, Impact 2020. Journal name is, this time, ABC and Co. Year of publishing is 2020 and the article is present at page number 10 to 12. Press OK and I got my citation on this paragraph. Now if I would like to update this bibliography, I have to just click on it, Update Citation button, and here you can see the magic. All of these three citations are available in this index of bibliography. So I hope you like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new tutorials every day. See you in the next tutorial.